Welcome to this grounding root chakra meditation. Allow me to guide you to unlock and balance the first chakra, the one that connects you to the foundation of life. Find yourself in a place where you can fully let go for the next while, making sure you are in a comfortable position. Take a nice, slow breath in and exhale peacefully. You may close your eyes at any time. When you balance the chakras by meditating on them, concentrating all of your focus on each individually, you begin to see the events in your life as symbolic, with beautiful lessons to be learned. Take a nice breath in and let it go. Allow each breath to relax you. Breathe in and out. In and out. Feel a gentle wave of relaxation sweeping over your entire body. Start to concentrate only on the root chakra at the base of your spine, the tailbone. A bright red is glowing here, the color of a valentine. Put all of your attention on the base of your spine and the surrounding area, grounding you in physicality and all of creation. If you'd like, visualize the design as a square, encompassed with a circle, surrounded with 4 large petals. It is radiating a colorful crimson light within your pelvis and hips. Imagine that you can effortlessly spin this last chakra with your creative might. See it going faster than anything you've ever witnessed. Repeat this mantra. Take root. Take root. Take root. Take root. Take root. Breathing deeply, seeing the root chakra shine out so magnificently. And with each breath, it expands and extends out far from your body. Feel the power of being deeply rooted to the earth and the force of life. How would you describe the feeling of the root chakra? It is opening the base of your spine, allowing your body to access endless connection with the earth below. The sense of protective creation is caressing your lower region with love. You can see the root chakra fully open and free, feeling it spinning with a radiant rose light. Good. Take a deep breath in, and as you inhale, imagine that you are pulling in the energy from the powerful earth below through the base of your body. It is sending gentle, illuminating light to all the other chakras along the way, giving them creative energy to move and flow with a sense of purpose. You hear the words, "I am safe." Good. The root chakra is now completely open and ready to ground you during all of your interactions and efforts. Feeling a sense of security, that your survival is protected and sacred. Perhaps you had forgotten until now. Breathe in again, fully. And one more time, breathe in and breathe out. Incredible. Gently returning your awareness to your present life. Stretch and move your body in whatever way feels best. Open your eyes. You are ready to take on life with great influence on the world.